7 Deadly Mistakes Life Insurance Agents Make That Kill Their Business. Mistake number 1. Inconsistent marketing efforts. Not doing enough direct mail and social media outreach. Most agents send out a few mailers, post sporadically on social media, and wonder why they're not getting results. Success requires consistent, systematic marketing across multiple channels. Mistake number 2. Ignoring Facebook advertising. Refusing to invest in Facebook ads. While your competitors are targeting ideal prospects with laser-focused Facebook campaigns, you're leaving money on the table. Facebook's targeting capabilities can put your message in front of exactly the right people at the right time. Mistake number 3. Avoiding online sales channels. Not leveraging the internet and online sales platforms. In today's digital world, clients expect to research and even purchase insurance online. Agents who resist this shift are limiting their reach to only local, in-person prospects. Mistake number 4. Overlooking niche widow leads for final expense. Failing to work specialized widow leads in the final expense market. This is a warm market with immediate needs, yet many agents chase cold leads instead of focusing on this responsive, underserved niche. Mistake number 5. Neglecting wealthy investors for high-value term plans. Not targeting affluent investors for million-dollar term policies. Many agents stay in their comfort zone with small policies when wealthy clients need substantial coverage for estate planning and wealth protection. Mistake number 6. Quitting marketing strategies too early. Abandoning marketing campaigns before they become successful. Most marketing strategies need 6 to 12 months to gain traction. Agents who jump from strategy to strategy never give anything enough time to work. Mistake number 7. No follow-up system. Lacking a systematic follow-up process. The fortune is in the follow-up, but most agents contact a lead once or twice and give up. Studies show it takes 8 to 12 touches to convert a prospect, yet most agents quit after 2 to 3. To earn more and start doubling your production, check out www.success45.com for LFE Insurance Online. Get our free kit and report at www.sellinginsurancewildlyasleep.com.